Welcome to our Everlast tech support channel. Today we'll be working through the troubleshooting steps to resolve your E04 error code. The error code is identifying an issue with a torch connection or a connection with the retaining cap on the plasma torch. It is a safety feature to restrict the operation of the trigger when the torch is disassembled. Our first step is to determine whether the machine or the accessory is the cause of the issue. To do this, we'll start by removing your plasma torch from the front of the machine, and we're going to use a jumper wire to connect pin 9 and pin 2 on the front of the machine. If the error code clears, we'll know the accessory is the cause of the issue. If the code did not clear, then we'll need to unplug connector J20 on the main control board and use a small screwdriver to short out the 2 pins in the connector on the board. If the code still has not cleared while the pins are being shorted, a new control board will need to be ordered. If you need to bypass this feature on the machine, you'll need to short out the 2 pins in the connector J20. I like to use the voltage divider jumper on the CNC filter board, location K2, and pull the jumper off the filter board and install it into the 2-pin connector J20. If you're still using the CNC voltage division, you can use a stake-on or solder the pins together. Thank you for working with us today. We hope that this video has helped to determine the next step for resolving your issue.